in this video, let us see how to execute a C program. So there are 4 steps involved to execute a C program. First of all, you have to create a program. So while creating a program, you have to start typing the code in C editor. So after creating the program, you have to compile it. That process is known as compilation. So after compilation, you have to link the code. So linking is done with the help of linker. So after linking is successful, then you can start executing your C program. So to execute a C program, first of all, you have to save the program as .c extension. For example, if the file name is sample, we have to save the program as sample.c, where .c is the file extension we are giving to save your C program. To compile the code, we have the shortcut key as Alt plus F9. So compilation can be done with the help of pressing the key simultaneously Alt plus F9. To run the code, for successful linking of code, you have to press the key as Control F9. So this is the overall structure of C program. So we are having 5 sections. One is your documentation section. Number 2, preprocessor section. Number 3, global definition section. Number 4, global declaration section. And number 5 is your actual main program. So I repeat, there are 5 sections or 5 structure for a C program. Number 1, documentation section. Number 2, preprocessor section. Number 3, definition section. Number 4, global declaration section. And number 5 is your actual C program section. Okay. So the documentation section contains the comment line. Preprocessor section is used to link library files. Global declaration section comes in the beginning of the program and they are visible to all the parts of program. Declaration section describes the data to be used within the function. Execution section or the executable part contains the valid statement. A C program may have many functions. One and only function must be the main. So a C program can have many functions, but the only main function we call it as main in C program. But one and only main function in a C program is called as your main function. Main is the starting point for a C program. Main and other function in a program are divided into 2 sections such as declaration section and statement section. A preprocessor directive has special instruction which helps the programmer for compilation. A preprocessor directive can be identified with the keyword known as include. It is also called as header file section. Comments can be used inside the preprocessor section, which is used for program documentation. The comments cannot be given inside the nested looping. So this is the sample example for a C program which is used to print a hello world. So we will start writing the comment as example in C program. Then you will start with your preprocessor section by including the header files #include stdio.h, where std refers to standard input io.h. Then the second header file is your #include conio.h. Con refers to conditional input output.h. So these two refers to your preprocessor section. And then comes your global declaration. Then go for your local declaration, wherein we start the C program with a main function. So the data type of your main function can be as void. So inside your main function, we will have the statement like printf. Inside printf, within the double quotes, I am going to print it as hello world. Hello world /n, where /n is your new line. Get ch and close your main program. So when you execute this code, you will be getting the output as hello world.